Hello and welcome to MGT tutorial. In this tutorial we will use MGT. MGT is a multiplayer gravity template for Unreal Engine. This template will allow you to create multiplayer games with a dynamic gravity. As you can see here, the magic of the MGT lies in its gravity synchronization systems. Here you have two players and they have objects and they see these objects exactly at the same location with a gravity, a dynamic gravity. So you can create FPS with players that are running to the setting. You can create also sports game like this one. This one is Galactic Goal. It's a game where players are playing football on a spherical field. And you can create a lot of different games like cooperative, dynamic gravity games. I don't know. Let's go to learn how to use this very simple, easy to use plugin. Go to example map. We will create one new map together. I duplicate the MGT map and we will delete everything inside to build one new one. You can delete all the decorative stuff. You can delete also gravity generators and gravity static mesh. Yes for all. You can delete also travel objects. You have to enlarge the section before delete. And it's okay. I will just keep the player starts here. Player starts are the place where your player will start, will spawn. You can create one other if you want by drag and drop from here. Just search for player. Now we will create our first gravity generator. So go in MGT, blueprint gravity generators and giant generators. We will create one giant planet. Increase the size. Put it near the player starts. And we will create another generator. Go in gravity generator, small generator this time, not giant. And put a cube in your scene. Give it a size of 20. Here you can adjust the shape if you want. You are not forced to stay in a cube shape. You can also make something like this. It's like a floor. And last thing I invite you to do is to reduce the size of the box trigger like this, because this trigger is a gravity trigger. Oh, sorry. When you will go inside this trigger, your player will be attracted by the cube. Let's press play, and as you will see, MGT will spawn for you a third-person character, and this third-person character will be attracted by the nearest generator in the scene. So for him, it was this sphere. After this, you can jump inside the cube, and you can also go back on the sphere. If you prefer, I will just do this. If you prefer to spawn as a FPS view, it's also possible. You just have to go in Window and select World Settings, and here it make appear this window. Just enlarge this selected game mode, and here you can select your FPS. Just search for MGT and select FPS player. Go here, press play, and you will be in FPS view. Here I am in my body, so I can go and I can go back to the cube. Okay, for this tutorial I will stay in third person. If you want to go in a multiplayer, just take 2 here and select play as client. Now, if you want to modify the players, they are here. You can modify this one. It's the parent from the FPS player. Now, how to build an object is very easy. Just drag and drop a cube, for example, a cube, and you can select a sphere if you prefer. Add a component. Click Add a component, and select Search for MGT. It's fast ready, but not ready. You just have to click on your cube and activate physics simulation. You can search for physics and check this case. And you have to also search for replication and activate static mesh replicate movement here. Now your cube is ready. And you can shoot on it. Oh, I delayed. I closed my my window. Sorry. You can shoot on it, but we will create another object. We will create a sphere and do exactly the same process. MGT and click on sphere. Search for replication, static mesh replicate movement, and search for physics. Simulate physics, and now you will have two objects on your map that have a dynamic gravity. You can shoot on it. Now the sphere has been attracted by the cube, and he's come back here to the big sphere. If you want, it's possible also to add some code on your objects. To do this, it's very easy. Just go to MGT, Blueprint, create a new folder, name it Blueprint Objects, and just click on Blueprint Add Script. Select. It will put the object here in your new folder. And here, now you can add some code. For example, you can add here box collision. You can increase the box collision, and now you are able to say unbegin overlap, print contact. You can also select material for your mesh. Here, I offer you some nice emissive material. Just search for emissive and you can use it as you want. Now you will see that this object is also replicated, and you can writing contact every time he finds something. Okay, if you want, it's also possible for this object or for this object. Here it will be attracted by the nearest generator, but you can configure it to be attracted by a generator you want. For example, I can put it here and select the MGT actor component and just click on it and the pipette here and select this actor, and at the beginning of the game this object will be attracted by the cube. Let's check it. Perfect. Now we will see another thing. Imagine you have here a gravity generator, so create a new gravity generator, a giant one for example. Increase the size of your generator and put it far away from this one. And here you will not be able with your player to go from here to here. So we will add a gravity a travel object. You can find travel object in this folder, travel object, put a gravity selector in and drag it in your scene, increase the size, put it for example here, and you just have to tell him where you want to go. In my case, I want to go here, so I check target generator, click on the pipette and pick the capsule. So if it's well configured, the arrows will be oriented to the capsule. Just check it. And now maybe I can try to send the sphere. No, I can give some objects to the gravity selector we just created. Come on, come on, oh, come on. Yes, and here if I push the cube inside, it will go to the capsule. And I can also jump inside. Oh, sorry. And now I am inside attracted by the capsule. Imagine now that you have a very far away generator. Control W to duplicate it and put this here, very far away. Okay, imagine you have to travel between this and this. If you use this gravity selector, your player will fly for a very long time. So you can use a teleporter. Just drag and drop the teleporter on your scene. Give it a size of 5, and you will have to bring a second teleporter in your scene here. Same thing, size of 5. You have to rotate your teleporter because you are on the bottom of your volume, and your player will arrive in your teleporter in the same rotation of this. And now you just have to tell them how to communicate. It's very easy. Just select the teleporter from the start. Select the targeted teleporter you want to go. So click here and select this teleporter. So if you go inside this, you will go here. And select also the gravity you want at the arrival. So here, in my case, I want the gravity of this volume. You have to do the same thing with the other teleporter. Just click on your teleporter, select where you want to go if you go back inside this one, and what gravity you want when you will go back from this one to this one. You are not forced to use only 2 teleporters. You can use 3, 5,000 if you want, and you can make them communicate in the way you want. Now I can go here, I can go here, and as you see, I have an arrow that is oriented to this teleporter. And now I am on the far away volume. I can go back and I can shoot this. Okay, last thing we can do together maybe is duplicate this shape, and you are not forced to use a spherical trigger. You can go here and you can change the type of trigger. If you click on 1, you will have a capsule. If you click on 2, it's a box, and 3, it's a sphere, and 0 is a sphere also. In my case, I will select 1, and after this, I can sorry, what I've done. Oh, sorry, I think I have a buggy. Try again. Okay, here, go here and select 1. Okay, now you just have to click here and you can grow your shape, and your capsule, because now it's a capsule, you can grow it like this. So you can use another shape another shape than the sphere, and you can use it like this. Could be fun. We'll try it. We will try to send the ball inside. Okay. Oh, it's come back to it's gone to my sphere. Come on, come on, come on. No, come on, please. Oh, sorry. But you can shoot it and the sphere will maybe one chance. Yes. And now the sphere is attracted by this shape. I don't know the name of this shape. And you can jump on it. You can also adjust the gravity of your generator and the priority. I hope this tutorial on MGT, I hope MGT will be useful for you. I can't wait to see what games you can create with this. Do not hesitate to share your videos on your project in the comments of this video, sorry, and don't hesitate to share this video and to put a thumbs up. And if you have any question, don't hesitate to contact me. See you soon. Bye bye.